Tired of clicking around Salesforce just to create a simple task? In 60 seconds, I will show you the exact steps to set it up right. No more hunting for buttons, no more missing that required field that keeps you from saving. We are going to get this done quickly. So here is the plan. We will start from the Tasks tab, then fill in every single field that matters. Assigned to, related to, subject, due date, status, and priority. Then we will hit save and be done. All right, let us jump in. I am starting from a real Salesforce org I have been working with, and the first thing you need to do is find the Tasks tab. It is usually right there in the navigation bar at the top of the screen. If you do not see it, click the app launcher and search for Tasks. Go ahead and click that tab. Now, once you are on the Tasks homepage, look over to the right-hand side. You will see a button that says Show More Actions. It looks like a little drop-down arrow. Click on that. A small menu will pop up. From that list, select New Task. This opens up the task creation form. This is where we will build out the record properly. And here is the really important part. Let us start with the Assigned To field. This is the person who actually needs to do the work. Click the search icon or the field itself and type in a name. Select the correct person from the dropdown. I have seen so many tasks get lost because nobody was assigned, so double check this one. Next, we want to link this task to a specific record. That is the Related To field. Maybe it is tied to an account, an opportunity, or a case. Click the search icon and start typing the name of the record. Select it from the list. This connection is what makes your Salesforce data actually useful later on. Now, give the task a clear subject. This should be a short, action-oriented description. Something like, call client about contract renewal, or review proposal for Q3. Type that directly into the subject field. Make it specific enough that you know what to do just by reading it. If there are other people involved, you can also choose contacts related to this task. This is optional but helpful. Click the Contacts field and select any relevant names from the list. This keeps everyone in the loop. All right, now we need a deadline. Set the due date. Click the calendar icon and pick a date. If you're not sure of the exact day, pick your best estimate. Having a due date prevents the task from sitting in limbo forever. Set the status. This tells everyone whether the task is not started, in progress, or something else. If you were just creating it, not started is usually the safe bet. But if you are already working on it, go ahead and mark it in progress. Then set the priority. Is this critical, high, normal, or low? Think about how urgent this task really is and choose accordingly. This helps your team triage their workload. Once everything looks good, click Save. That is it. Your task is now created and assigned, with all the important details filled in. So, from fumbling around the menus to confidently creating a fully detailed task in under a minute. That is the transformation. And the next time you need to log a task, you will know exactly where to click and what to fill in. Give it a try in your own org, and you will see how much smoother your day gets.